It's very busy. It's a natural habitat. But it was. Look how close you can get. That's how close you can get to nature. Okay, don't scare it. And it's eating. Can you see that?
Hi. Say hi. It's not a picture, you loser. It's a video.
Hello.
That's my friend. My friend.
Oh, it's finished. Oh, damn. That was a very quick song.
She's feeling herself. Feel like, I'm the baddest in this place. Follow
Wait,
her.
Harlow. I
Yeah.
am the baddest in this place.
Hey guys, we're gonna for lunch. What's today? Sunday. I didn't go to church because I woke up late.
I did. Hence why I look on fleek, yeah?
Girl, bye.
Bye.
She's wearing her heels and I'm in flats and she's like up here and I'm down here. And I'm like, take your shoes off.
She's already short anyway. She comes up to here on a normal day.
But when you wear
Today she's
heels,
like here.
when you wear heels, I look extra short, like I'm your daughter. They're like, is that your daughter? I'm like, yeah, she's my mommy.
Oh yeah, I remember that.
Yeah?
When we went shopping.
Oh yeah, that guy was like, is that your mom? I'm gonna slap upside your head. I know, but then we went, when was it? I was in church, when was that? In church, Christmas Day or something?
Christmas Eve.
No, Christmas Day.
You went to London.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And I was talking, thank you. And I was talking to this guy, and he was like, oh, this woman said, are these your kids?
How is this glass
Bang, bang, bang. That's a small, right?
£7?
That's a small. I thought it's gonna be like up here.
Yeah, this is a £7.
Typical black people.
£7 thing. I can go and get the entire bottle.
You should have come with your ball in your bag, like typical black people. Come with your bag. Ball. Yeah, and this woman was saying, oh, you got kids? I said, yeah. She's like, those are your kids? I was like, yeah. She goes, I think you just came with them. I was like, yeah. She's like, are you sure those are your kids? I was like, yeah. She's like, oh my God, you don't look so young. I was like, yeah. I get that all the time.
Like, don't cry. Like, don't cry.
I know. I was like, yeah, they're my kids. Are you sure you didn't pick the same one?
No, look at the color. The color difference alone.
But
Guys,
it's
look
just
at
the
the
same.
color. It's the different colors.
But they're just the same.
Hold on, which one is yours? Yours is the darker one.
That one.
It's wine diluted with water.
You're so ghetto. It's not diluted.
How does this
with
one
water.
not look diluted?
Maybe they put less red grapes in that one.
Diluted with water. They want
It's
to make
so
one.
diluted.
We're not going to say where we are.
But it tastes the same.
We're not going to say where we are right now because we don't want to get the place in trouble. Yeah?
Be bad.
Hot Express dinner.
Oh, it's Pizza Hut. Oh, it's Express.
Actually, those people are there.
Oh no, pointing at me. Oh, don't worry, I'll chop him up. You're not gonna be cornbread.
Supposed to be like
Chop him up.
consent. You need to give us
Girl, bye. No consent. Actually, that's what I was gonna say. You know when they do news and stuff, and people are in there, what do news readers have the right to film anywhere? Or do they ask it? You know how they do like in the shopping center? There's so many people. I'm like, how do they do that?
No, I think that is
On vlogs, sometimes you see people in the back.
yeah, when they're eating. But then sometimes, you know, that if someone doesn't like it, they normally do like,
They blur it out.
Like,
But how you gonna find me to blur your face out?
I'll be like, remember, I saw my face on your YouTube channel. I don't like it. Take me off or I will see you.
But you don't know me.
Yours sincerely.
You don't know me.
I will know you. I will find you and I will know you.
don't like their wine.
My girl complains about wine,
It's not nice.
which costs £7 for
Yeah, what?
half a glass.
7 or 5?
I don't give it 7.5. I think the big one
At
was
£2
£10.
and buy a bottle.
Exactly. Now I've got a bottle at home that will cost me less than that. Not that I'm stingy or anything.
You're stingy. Stingy black woman.
Actually, I'm not. I'm not that stingy.
You're stingy. She tell you, she call and say, excuse me, can I have some coffee?
Excuse me. How much? You said 170. So basically, the larger would have been here.
Yeah. Probably bigger glass as well, maybe.
No, I think it would have been the same
Give me
glass.
the same one.
It's more.
That's bad. And the large is what?
That was £10.
Cheapskate. I'll stick to my bottle from Asda.
I thought I was cheap.
Me, I'm a cheap girl. If I can get it cheap, I'll get it cheap. Take that. I'm not getting broke for no reason. I must stay cheap.
For a little bit of wine.
Yep. Yeah. We're gonna have lunch. Gonna have lunch. What are you doing Christmas Eve? No, New Year's Eve.
Church, you wanna come? No, Harlow,
She
London.
wants me to take me to.
And she's holding the
Girl,
glass. She's holding a glass like this. She wants me to go to church. They say Jesus turned water into wine.
Exactly, see? It's blessed. Jesus' name, amen.
When are we turning up? When are we going up to turn up?
I don't know. I need to go. I haven't been out for a minute.
I know. Let's go and turn up. Where?
That's why I was asking, what are you doing here?
See, that's the reason why I don't go out. Because me, I don't do designated driver. Sorry.
See, every single time we go out, they always expect Mabel, because Mabel doesn't get drunk. So they always, Mabel, you drive. I'm like, so I have to drive every single person, every corner of the land, and drop you off, drop you every. By the time I get to my house,
Yeah, but if you
it's
don't
4 o'clock,
drink-
6 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, but if you don't drink.
That day I'll drink.
Okay, then we find
That day I'll
we
drink.
get Steve to drive us and pick us. To be like, thank you.
And when the kids gonna be in the house by themselves.
No. He drops us there, drives back home, he picks us up, when goes back home.
Hey, he will look at me like, are you crazy? He won't even pick the phone when I call. He'll be like, oh, did you call me? I'll be like,
I didn't realize my phone didn't ring.
yep, exactly.
Oh no. Tom is the best person to drive people around or go with us. Because that guy don't drink. Yeah, but
He'll cuss you out. He will cuss you out, be like, who the hell do you think I am?
he had 1 glass of wine, I think that's enough.
He'll be like, drive yourself back home.
You can only see your lips now. We need to get this cracking. Yeah, we need to get it cracking.
Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend.
And a friend and a friend and a cousin and a cousin and a brother, sister, uncle.
African cousin, German brother-in-law, and you know.
You see how black people invite someone to Christmas birthday party? You invite one person, that one person invites his uncle, the other one invites his grandfather, great-grandfather. We keep going. By the time you finish with one person, you've got 20 people. That's how you're supposed to do it.
Yeah.
Invite your cousin, father, grandfather, uncle, YouTuber, your dead brother's grandfather, great-grandfather. Yeah, that's how you do it. Thumbs up. You know? You can also invite them, but to the food comes here hungry.
I'm gonna eat carnivore.
Thank you.
Ooh, look at mine.
Would you like anything else? Can I
Lovely.
have a bit of...
More cheese. Don't you have enough cheese?
Yes, no, that's it, thank you.
That's enough cheese for you,
You want
child.
Parmesan or Reggiano?
I love Parmesan. Look at the knife. It looks weird.
So when you go out, you don't just eat like that. You clean your cutlery.
I know.
Your pizza looks dead.
Girl, leave my pizza alone. I'm sure it tastes better than it looks. Though I could have had more cheese, but it's okay.
You can have
It's alright.
Parmesan or Reggiano.
We need to go on a diet after all the food I've eaten on Christmas. What have I got?
4, 5, 6.
6.
So do I do again or do I give Faith to do?
You move
You've
one.
got to
You move
no, that's-
one.
Faith does it, innit? Yeah, I need 5.
Technically, Yo-Yo shouldn't have gone in.
Why?
You've got to land 5 the first time. 5.
Just 5 by itself.
Yeah.
5. So Jojo, go
So
back.
don't we need like one of them?
So do we use one dice to do 5?
Because you need to do
Because you can
5.
get 3 and 2. So it has to be. So
Faith, yeah, your turn.
Daddy, you need to just get 5 and 5 lucky 5.
yeah, you need to get 5. So let's see.
6.
Too much.
You didn't too
That
much,
is
too
turn.
many. Yeah. Because when after you go in, the double dice will be really handy.
What is this juju you're doing?
Oh,
Too
we're
much.
getting 60.
Jojo, your turn.
I'm the lucky man.
You're the lucky man.
Oh, no.
Jojo, the ancestors with you.
Oh, Jojo, you got
You
it.
got it. You all got to make 5 spaces.
No, 1.
5, is it?
No.
So 5 1.
5 just gets you in.
In.
Oh, okay. Mommy,
My turn.
yes.
You are the lucky man.
Morning. What's the day today? It is Bank Holiday Monday. And and we're going to Toysrus. We need to take back some stuff because some items are not working. We bought Faithy's, what do you call it, Faith? Aqua beads. We bought her aqua beads, but it's not, they missed out like a tray or something. So we need to take it back and see if they can change it or something. And then the kids want to go out. They want to go skating. Well, not skating. They want to take the scooters out because it's not careful. Yeah, they'll fit. It's not too cold today, so they wanted to go out and ride their skateboard, their scooters. Jojo wants to do his hoverboard. Is it hoverboard? No, no hoverboard. What's it called? What do you call it? Air hug. Because in the house it's kind of, it doesn't have enough space to move it up and down. So we're going to do that for a little bit and then... Look! Helicopter! But anyway, maybe that's the tray. Tray is kind of, it's different, isn't it? But maybe the tray for your one is that one. Should we just look and see if we can find
Yeah, and then we
a
can
different one? Go this way.
They don't have a mug for us.
Sorry?
That's rude. They don't have a mug for us.
Because your name is special, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we've changed our mind. What are we getting now? Let's see. Getting hammer bead, yeah?
You want to get batteries?
Cool. Because we couldn't find the 3D in the other one, isn't it?
Yeah, Amy's got hammer beads too.
Does she?
Yeah. She
That's
went
cool.
once. She made like, she was bringing in because she made a puzzle out of one. She made like.
Here's a bird in Toysrus. It's in a natural habitat. And Jojo goes forward. You try and say hello. Say hello, bird. Now point at it. Tell us a story about the bird. Go on.
The bird is trying to eat
Go on.
something.
Hey?
The bird is trying to eat something
Mhm.
that is on some hotel.
Uh-huh.
I don't know if it's going to get sick.
Sorry?
I don't know if it's going to get sick or prick.
What is he trying to eat? Starburst.
Food.
Trying to eat a Starburst? How close can you get? Go on, Jojo. Go on. My gosh. This is unnatural. This is epic. Look how close Jojo is.
No,
Oh.
it's eating
Say hello.
wasp.
Go on. Put your hand up.
Wasp.
Is it a wasp?
Yeah.
Oh, that's brilliant. A bird eating a wasp.
Have you tried
If
to
you look closer, you can see. Don't shake it. It's very busy. It's a natural habitat. Got a wasp. Look how close you can get. That's how close you can get to nature. Don't scare it. And it's eating. Can you see it? You're an unbelievable creature. You've been this close to nature before. Don't scare it. Wow. And that's how close you can get. But look at those atom bomb moments. Don't shake it over. This is truly innovative. This is how close, ladies and gentlemen, you can get to nature. Hello, young bird. Don't shake it, Jojo. It's eating. Nature.
What is it eating?
And mankind.
It's eating a bee. No, it's eating a wasp.
Enjoy your meal, Mr. Bird. Yes, Jojo, not too close, not too close. Don't scare it. Yeah, she's strong.
Huh?
Strong.
Of course she is. Right, come on, guys.
Yeah. What? No, maybe it doesn't.
No.
Okay.
Put it back on. Put it back on. Don't break
But hang on a
it.
minute. But that way, how would you close it? And if it did come off, there's no
I
shutter,
don't
so
know.
that you change it around. And look at that. So that's how you
Wait, I'm not doing it.
say bring
I
it
like this
closer.
one.
Okay, right.
I want this one, babe.
This is pretty nice.
Babe, I want this one.
You want this one?
I want this one. This one's better.
Why didn't we see it before?
I don't know.
Okay. To
Does
zoom
that
in.
lens come off?
I think this lens comes. Yeah, but look.
Yeah. But then where am I? It
No,
can't.
but
No,
that's-
it has to stay
The
on.
lens has to stay on.
Chunky.
Okay, let's do that. Do it again.
Obviously now.
So guys, we had gone in to look at cameras because obviously I'm trying to get a camera with a screen where I can see myself.
Hey,
And then
slow
this
down.
guy says we can connect. Well, I already had an app for it, for the camera, just to take the pictures of the camera
Come here,
onto my
guys.
phone, guys. And then I wanted to get one which I can see myself on, but this guy, he basically showed us how I can see myself
Remote connect.
remote connect,
Shooting.
remote shooting, where I can see myself through my phone, through the camera. If you get it, I don't get it saying it, but I understand it looking at it. So basically I can put the camera facing me and I can see myself through my phone, if you get it. So, very clever. Very techy, but it worked. So I might not need a new camera, which is good. So whoopee. My boy,
He's putting on bra.
my boy.
Jojo.
My
Mum's putting
boy.
on bra. What's he wearing?
You giving evils? Faith, Faith, Faith,
She loves it, ain't she?
Faith. I can see your belly. I can see your belly.
Tuck in your belly.
Tuck in your belly. Tuck in your belly.
So this is the shower.
Tuck in your belly.
It has a belt.
Fifi told daddy, tuck in your belly.
Your belly.
Tuck in your belly.
Tuck in your belly.
Tuck in your one pack. I don't need to. So this is one of my presents that I got from my Secret Santa, who was my brother-in-law, Steve's brother.
Come, let's have a look.
It looks quite interesting.
It's chutney.
Got some chutney in there.
Wine.
So him and his Mrs. gave it to me.
Let's have a look if they in.
It looks like he put a lot of thought in it, right?
That's a good
Josh,
call. Look
of
at
all
that.
people.
Look at that.
Josh. I thought it was his missus who picked it up. But it turned out he went out and he bought everything himself.
That's something.
And he bought this as well for me.
Dreams. What's it say? Dreams what?
Follow your heart and your dreams will come true.
I like that.
Dreams.
So,
By the way,
very thoughtful.
did you see that? He's the invitation. Well, you send out a broadcast. We'll see who would for New Year's.
Follow
But the taste nice.
Yeah?
Which one's that?
I like that one.
Which one's that?
I like that one.
What's that? Farmer's pickle? You know what it's called?
Yeah, they put something. The oats. Mini oat cakes.
Are they nice? They're actual oat cakes. Put it in your mouth.
No, because I've already eaten food. I don't want to mess up my.
It's not gonna mess you up.
Okay.
No, you eat.
No.
You like majority of things. I'm the picky one. We turned it on. Be careful it doesn't go in someone's garden. Bring it this side. Ooh. That's it. No, Joe, you're gonna break it. Okay, take it off. Get an action.
You can use any part of your body.
It's the atmosphere. Oh.
Go, Jojo.
Next level visual shit.
Go on, we can hear you. No, don't worry. Oh, is that a bad word?
We
Oh, no,
didn't put
yeah.
the right one on, did we? Let's put the clean version on. Well done.
Oh, well done,
Well
Jojo. You see that?
Yeah.
That's very good.
They said a bad word.
So you picked it out?
So they're naughty, not you.
It's a look.
So we're
Yeah,
going to play
I didn't say it.
Yeah, I know you
that's
did
good.
it.
So put it right over your head. That's it. Yeah,
Click
in the middle of the
radio
head.
with it. Right, rewind. Is that nice in your ears? Is that too loud, or do you want it a bit louder?
Gotta get that. Gotta get that.
How's that now?
Gotta get that.
Is that better?
Gotta get
The louder they got it, the more we're going to shout.
Okay, oh, so they can hear it much
Gotta
better.
get that.
Oh, okay.
Gotta get
Yeah,
that.
I've got a headphone level on.
Gotta get that.
I'm with you.
Gotta get
That's what I'm saying, I can't.
Yeah.
I have to have a little bit of sound on the ear.
Oh, I'm with you.
Because I've got headphones.
Gotta get that.
Yeah.
Gotta get that.
Oh, okay. Yeah, because the more they hear it over there, it's keeping
Yeah.
boom, boom, boom.
I got that hate to beat the block. That bass on low. I got that rock and roll. That future flow. That digital spit. Next level visual move. Go
Jojo.
That boom boom boom. That boom boom boom. I'm in that super saiyan room. Gotta hit that spaceship soon. When I step inside the room.
You see that? So they're pumping it slowly, exactly. Yeah, it's just picking up. That's it. You got
I'm a beast when you turn me on. To the silk and Cybertron. The fast and getting strong. See ladies extra long. We gonna beat that bounce. We gonna beat that bounce. We gonna beat that bounce.
I'm telling you. thing. From that there. Uh-huh. Wow. Go Jojo. What? Yeah. Go Jojo. Yeah. Hey. Boom. Boom. At the shell slowly. Go Jojo. Hey. I'm telling you. Honestly, look, you can imagine, right? When we, you see when you can imagine, just from there, yeah. If they're alright, when we, I dived into music. Look what you produce, right? But imagine now, and when they tell you, as time gets older, a 9-year-old of today isn't the same 9-year-old of yesterday. So there should be a little outlet, you know what I mean? Go Jay. Go Jojo. Hey. Yeah. The man that makes it happen. Let's do it. Oh, move back. Oh, okay. Hey. Hey. I wanna come in. Oh man.
I'm making this more big point.
I'm feeling it. Honestly. You're gonna get your nugget involved as well.